Hi, I'm Corin, your salty bartender. Today I'm going to show you how to salt a glass. This idea just came to me. I figured it was something like this. I've seen it probably a lot, but I never attempted to salt my own glass. I'm celebrating with a beverage, and I would like it with a frothy, salted glass. This one I just did. And now I will be doing this one for you. You just take a small bowl, fill it with purified water. Any water will do. I like to use purified with my cooking. Take the glass, dip it in the water, simple as that. After you have the salt on the plate, go ahead and take the glass and stir it around. And there we have it. Let's get more a little bit there. Okay. Ooh, is that beautiful? And that's how we do it. And the reason I'm celebrating is because yesterday I saved myself $1,000 by finding a free estimate for an electrician, and then also separately fixing my own refrigerator. Instead of buying another one, it would have been $700. I priced it for days. Then last night, after a long 2 days of straight refrigerator stuff, 10 to 12 hour days, the water heater stopped working. The free estimate people came back today. They earned a bang for the buck. They got it done. It turned out I had 2 bad fuses. They showed me the bad ones. I disposed of them. And one of them was connected to my AC. Wow. Thank you for watching. Cheers.